This is from a local farm. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna remove the seeds. This is gonna be a challenge for me because I'm still recuperating from my right shoulder surgery. I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees because I am going to pre-bake these for about maybe, I wanna say anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. The stuffing that's gonna go in there is gonna be already cooked. So this is gonna be interesting. Let's see how I'm doing. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome to my cooking sauce. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your cooking whisperer. I love to cook around here, develop recipes, a whole bunch of cooking things, even try out gadgets and tasting and things. Don't worry, you'll see what I look like in the B-roll that's coming up. Oh, look at how cute. I could put it in my hand. Pretty food just really is a feast for the senses, for the eyes. If you're wondering why I'm not on camera, it's because I gave myself a facial treatment, and let's just say that it brought up a lot of things out to the surface that y'all don't need to see. As you can see, the acorns are laying nice and flat on the sheet pan. What I did was carefully with a sharp knife, I sliced off some of the bottom, not too much, so that when I fill it, nothing's penetrating through. I'm going to show you the next one. See, it's nice and flat, and you have a side view there, and that facilitates not rocking on the sheet pan. I'm just adding salt and pepper to this, and that's that. It was here that she realized she messed up. Yep, you guessed it. I forgot to turn the oven on, preheated to 350. Yep, that was me. Let me introduce you to the cast members of this delicious, what I'm calling stuffed pumpkin palooza extravaganza. This is an 85% lean, grass-fed, organic ground beef. I have here the W sauce, the Worcestershire, this right here, the W sauce. Extra virgin olive oil. Here I have one of my kitchen helpers. Hey, take your help where you can. These are diced and frozen. These things are already flash frozen, so these are fresher than the ones that you see right there in front of you in the farm and what have you. This is a blend of mixed bell peppers that are diced for you already and chopped onions. Here I have my homemade garlic paste. This is simply peeled garlics and salt, no oil, no vinegar, that's it. A dry blend of pesto seasoning that I kind of zhuzhed up a bit. This is new to me. If you've ever tried this seasoning, oh my gosh, let me know. I purchased this, I forgot about it, and then I said, you know what, I need to use it because I'm trying to clean out my fridge and my pantry. That includes my spices for, you know, the upcoming holidays and things like that, because, you know, I've got to do that. Let me show you. Can you see that? Can you see that right there? All the ingredients.
Is the camera letting me be great? Can you see it?
It has dehydrated vegetables, mushrooms, garlic, tomato, onion, parsley, sesame seed, salt, natural flavor, rice concentrate, and canola oil. Okay. I'm gonna give this a try. I like to dry char my frozen veggies. It just brings out the natural sugars in the veggies and it caramelizes them. And you know, you just have to wait and let the water dry up, but I promise you it will caramelize. Let's get to seasoning this. Half of this garlic is going for the meat and half is going to the pan with the onions and the peppers and things. I know it looks like a lot, but garlic is good for you. Some of this deliciousness, some of this, some of this. Let's see. clean hands and don't overmix it so it doesn't get tough. Woo, love that sizzle. All right, this is nice and caramelized. The water has been dried out. I'm going to add the beef. Oy, this is hard to do. Recuperating from shoulder surgery, but I'm doing it. As you notice, I haven't put any oil yet because I'm going to let the beef render its fat, but I do have some extra virgin olive oil reserved on the side in case I need that. I'm also gonna add some cooked rice. This will cook in the same amount of time that I'm baking the first round of pumpkin. What do I mean by that? Because I'm gonna bake the pumpkin twice. The first round is 20 minutes and then it's gonna take the same amount of time for this meat to cook. It looks like I will have to add a little bit of olive oil to this, and I'm gonna add the garlic puree first, give that a good toss, and then I'm gonna add the rice, give it a good mix. And the pumpkins are almost done. We can stuff them, and then we're gonna bake them again at 350 for another 15 minutes. Oh, this smells so good.
Have you activated your smell-o-vision button? It's for free $99. Get it while it's free.
Gonna add the garlic. Oh, woo-wee! This smells so good. This is thoroughly cooked, so it's time to add the rice. All right, I'm gonna finish mixing this, and then I have about 5 minutes for the pumpkin to be done. Time to fill these up. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I already bought this pumpkin halved because, you know, my shoulder surgery, and I take my kitchen help wherever I can. I'm still serving nutrient dense, delicious, nutritious. Let me stuff that down in there because I got some hungry peoples here. Stuff that in. I'm gonna finish this one and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven at 350 for about another 15. And thank you once again for understanding why I'm not in front of the camera right now. It's just temporary. But y'all saw what I look like in the B-roll? Oh my gosh, look at that pumpkin, how beautiful. It's so nice and tender. I'm trying to grab the perfect bite here. Oh, look at that, open up. Want some? Mmm. Mmm. This is delicious. Garlicky. Oh my gosh. The peppers, the onion, everything just goes together so well. Oh my goodness. You can serve this on the side. You can serve this with a salad on the side, but I'll tell you what. I have several meals from this. I have some of the rice mixture left over. I made 2 of these, one for me, one for my husband. I don't think I'm gonna eat this whole thing, but I'll have leftovers from that. And I still have half of an Instapot of white rice that I made that I can prepare for other things like fried rice and all kinds of other things. This is so delicious. I hope you make this. Let me know what you think of this recipe and what would you add to this. If you like this kind of content, you like this kind of video, and you found some value in it, even a chuckle, a laugh or two, smash that subscribe button. I love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Post the notification bell, you know, the ding 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 dong bell, and select option all.
This way YouTube lets you know all the videos I upload.
Thank you for sharing the videos. Donate me a thumbs up. This way it tells in your algorithm that like-minded people are engaging, that you like to see my videos. And guess what? I want to bring you more of my videos. And if no one has told you lately,
You was kind, you was smart, you was intelligent.
and you were fearfully and wonderfully made. I want to leave this passage with you to lift you, to encourage you, to sharpen you, to edify you, because iron sharpens iron. Jesus loves you with an eternal love. He gave his life for you, rose on the third day, and is now seated at the right hand of God the Father, always interceding for you and always interceding for me. Keep this passage of the Bible in mind for you. In Philippians it says, "He who has begun a good work in you is able and just to complete it to the day of Jesus Christ." You are loved. Having said all that, I will see you in my next cooking moment. Bleh. Oh, this is so good. Let me get this little bite right here. Here. And you found some value in it, but slow your roll, girl.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.